Getting out of hot water. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, being in hot water. Idioms enrich our language, making it more colorful and expressive. They can also be a bit confusing for English language learners. So, let's unravel the mystery behind being in hot water and discover how to use it correctly in conversation. Being in hot water is an idiom that means to be in trouble or to be in a difficult situation where you might face consequences. Imagine accidentally putting yourself in a pot of hot water. It's uncomfortable and you want to get out, right? That's the feeling this idiom conveys. But don't worry, it's not about actual water. It's a metaphor for finding oneself in a problematic scenario. The phrase, being in hot water, dates back to the 1500s. It is believed to originate from the practice of putting criminals in boiling water as a form of punishment. Over time, the phrase evolved from its literal meaning to a figurative one, representing the idea of being in trouble without any actual water involved. Understanding an idiom is easier when you see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. After breaking the vase, Jamie found himself in hot water with his parents. 2. Failing to submit the report on time, the manager was in hot water with the company CEO. 3. Cheating on the exam landed her in hot water with the school principal. In each case, the person is facing repercussions for their actions, illustrating the idiom's meaning perfectly. Don't take it literally. Remember, it's a metaphor. Use it in informal contexts. This idiom is perfect for casual conversations, stories, or personal anecdotes. Pair it with actions that have consequences. It's most effective when explaining situations where someone's actions lead to trouble. That's a wrap on being in hot water. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion and helps you confidently use this idiom in your English conversations. Idioms can be tricky, but understanding them is a big step towards fluency. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to immerse yourself in the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.